What's up, YouTube? It is your favorite girl, Nia Imani, here back with another video. And in today's video, I wanted to show you all my little updated, wash day routine. Is fairly simple. Honestly, having short hair has made wash day a lot more easier to get through just because I don't have to detangle as much hair. But yeah, I want to show you guys what products I've been using, what's been in my rotation, and how I've defined my curls. I used to think I couldn't do this because my hair was so short, and I remember the first time I tried to do finger coils, and I was like, this is insane. I did it on my taper cut when my hair was actually a little bit longer, and I was like, this is so tedious. But then the other day, I tried to incorporate like that sponge into my hair routine, and I was like, okay, I'm getting definition, but it's not like as defined as I want it to. So then I ended up like giving my hair co-wash. I used the little brush, and then I actually went in and I kind of basically did the shingling method to get the definition in my hair like so. I really hope that you all like it. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to go down in the that little bar down there and make sure you click the subscribe button, because I will be uploading a lot more content regarding hair, beauty, lifestyle, all of the above, entrepreneurship, this, that, and the third. And honestly, welcome to my channel. But I don't want this intro to be too long. I hope you all enjoy this video, and I will see you all at the end. Alright, y'all, so when I enter the shower, look at my hair. I probably did a wash and go a few days ago, but now it's time to refresh my curls. My scalp isn't doing too bad, so I am going to go in with a mild cleanser today. But before we even begin to shampoo when you're in the shower, the first thing you want to do is to ensure that your hair is saturated. You do not want to just put shampoo on dry hair. You want to just make sure that your hair is getting as much moisture as possible, and I do so by just completely drenching my hair in the water. Okay, so for shampoo today, I'm going in with my Yall Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. Like I said, I like this shampoo because it is a cleanser. It's not super stripping. It doesn't dry my hair out. It is quite moisturizing, actually. And I feel like my hair is pretty, cleansed when doing so. So I go in and I just shampoo my entire scalp, really making sure that I'm massaging my scalp, really getting all that buildup off my scalp. And I do this twice. I always shampoo my hair twice. So now I'm just rinsing out my shampoo. If your hair has a lot of product buildup, you definitely want to make sure that you are going to implement shampooing into your schedule more regularly. I shampoo once a week, okay? So this is what my scalp is looking like after I shampoo my hair 2 times. My curls are refreshed. Like I said, this is not a stripping or a drying shampoo, so my hair does feel very moisturized. It's soft, it's manageable, and I'm ready to deep condition. Alrighty, so for deep conditioner, before I even apply my deep conditioner, I always make sure my hair is super wet. I was towel drying my hair for a little quick second, but just make sure that you really moisturize your hair before you apply the deep conditioner to ensure that the deep conditioner can really stick into your hair and it can really penetrate your hair. So today for deep conditioner, I'm going in with Lovely Bees Old Honey Moisture Mask. It has honey, aloe vera, avocado oil, and olive oil. I like this deep conditioner because it's a very lightweight, I won't say lightweight, it's a creamy consistency. And it just feels really good on my hair. My hair feels very soft, very moisturized after using it. Then I just went in with a few of my Imania Beauty High Maintenance Elixir drops, and I added that into my deep conditioner. So this is definitely a pro tip. You can add an oil of your choice to your deep conditioner to really, maximize the potential of the product and to just strengthen the product overall. I feel like adding, just different oils or different powders, different ingredients can really improve the efficacy of your overall deep conditioner. For me, when I add oils to my deep conditioner, it really it makes it a little bit looser, but also I really feel like it strengthens my hair. So that's just something that I like to do. And I really like this deep conditioner because it allows me to detangle with ease. So I put on a plastic cap and I let that sit in my hair for about 30 minutes. And this is my hair after I have rinsed out the deep conditioner with some cold water. My hair feels very soft, very manageable. It feels really good. So now I'm going in with my High Maintenance Elixir by Imani Beauty, which is my brand, and I'm going to begin to just apply some drops to my scalp, and I'm going to begin to massage my scalp every wash day. Honestly, every other day I do scalp massages. You all, in these pictures, you can see my growth that I've had from when I first went and chopped off the rest of my blue hair on August 26th up until now. So I've seen a lot of growth just in a few couple of months. So I want you guys to know scalp massages work, and Imani Beauty high maintenance elixir works. Alrighty, so now it is time to style, and with any wash and go I do, you all know that water is always going to be the first step of my routine. You cannot, for me personally, I feel that products penetrate my hair better when my hair is super saturated. So for my first leave-in, or for my base, I'm going in with the Camille Rose Natural, their honey leave-in conditioner. I really like it. It feels very moisturizing, and I feel like it allows my hair to have a good slip, and it preps for the actual creamy leave-in conditioner that I go in with later on. So now I'm taking a little bit of the Camille Rose Naturals Curl Moisture Love, I believe that's what it's called, and I'm just kind of going in and starting to finger detangle my hair. But as you all can see now, my curls are starting to form. And before I even go in and I apply my gel, I go in with this thing. I call it my nigga sponge, because I feel like I only see boys using it, but I feel like it works, but it kind of doesn't work. I don't know. I like to play around with it. I feel like it kind of gets the curls, it starts to speed up the process of definition. So I go in with that for a little bit, and then I'm going to go and follow up with my Curls Blueberry Bliss Jelly. I would say if you have longer hair, I would say that you can use this gel for more so a twist out. The reason I like to use it for my wash and go personally, because it is not super crunchy. It is not it's not a crunchy gel. My hair doesn't really need to be hard, especially at this length, so that's why I like this gel. But I will link my gel suggestions if you are looking for some gels, but I will only use this gel personally if your hair is longer. I will only personally use it for twist outs, not necessarily for styling. So now I'm going to show you all how I have been defining my curls to really ensure that I have good definition, and that overall my curls are defined. So basically I'm just going to go in piece by piece, and yes, I'm literally going piece by piece, and I'm shingling my hair. I wouldn't necessarily consider this finger coiling. I mean, it could be. I don't really know. I consider it shingling because I'm not really going towards the root when I'm, doing this motion in my hair. I'm more so focusing my energy on the end of the curl. So, yeah, I just want to show you all a few different clips of how I'm doing it. You have to take your time with this. This is definitely going to be a tedious process, but when I tell you that the results are going to be magnificent and you are going to love it, just, take my word for it. Like, just look at how juicy my hair is. And honestly, the key, y'all see I got product literally dripping down my forehead. The key to this is to make sure that your hair is super saturated. I could not do this on damp hair. I could not do this on dry hair. To really get that curl to form, you want to make sure that your hair is damn near dripping wet. So yeah, you just go in tiny pieces, in very tiny pieces, where you have your leave-in, you have your gel, and you're just going to go around in a circular motion towards the I would say mid shaft towards the end, and begin to shingle and define those curls. And I want to show you all a quick comparison from that side that's defined. This side right here is absolutely not defined at all. That's just like my natural kind of curl pattern. And this side right here is very, very defined. So yeah, just giving you all a close-up shot. As you can see with my fingers, really pay attention to how I'm twirling it and smoothing my fingers, down the hair shaft as I twirl my hair. Boom, and those are perfect little curls. Alrighty, and then when you get to some sections, I personally don't really see the significance or the importance of using hair tools, especially while my hair is so short. I feel like I'm able to really finger detangle and kind of, use my hands instead of tools to get my curls to detangle. So I'm just going to go in and I kind of like pull some of the hair ever so lightly and just kind of detangle it. And again, just going in with little pieces, and I'm going to be doing the finger coil / shingling method. So this is the front / top of my hair, but when you look at the back, it's a whole different story, but that's okay. So I basically just take 2 mirrors to kind of get me started for the back of my hair process. Again, just going to make sure my hair is super saturated to ensure that I'm able to really define my curls, and that's just what works best for my hair type. If that doesn't work best for you, do what's best for you. I go in with a little bit more of my gel, and it's basically time to define. So I say that, you know, I use the mirrors, the 2 mirror system to get me started, but eventually you'll see that once I get the hang of it, it's very easy for me to not need the mirror and just kind of can feel around and see what needs to be defined. Alrighty, and I'm just gonna make this back section even smaller by clipping off that, you know, piece at the top, and I'm just gonna start going in and just literally doing the same thing that I did in the front to the back, using those 2 mirrors to help guide me to ensure that I'm able to coil every single curl. Alright, and these are my curls. As you can see, my hair is extremely defined, extremely juicy. I'm in love. Like, I feel like my hair looks absolutely perfect, and when it dries, it's gonna look even better. And you can see in the back, I was able to really define all of those curls in the back as well, so it looks, you know, uniform, not it's all curly in the front and frizzy in the back. So as you all remember, my hair was pretty wet, but right now I'm just going to go in with a t-shirt, and I'm going to soak up any excess water or any excess product to ensure that my drying process is, you know, good. So this is about 2 to 3 hours later. My hair is basically dry, and I want to show you all what it looks like. The curls are still intact. My hair is very defined still, and it looks really good. Alrighty, and I would say a #1 key for me in my hair journey over the past years has been length retention, and that's ensuring that, you know, if you're able to grow your hair, you're able to keep it. And my #1 key for length retention would be to seal in the moisture of my hair with oils to ensure that my hair does not dry out. So I just took a few drops of my Imania Beauty High Maintenance Elixir to seal in my moisture, as well as to help reduce the frizz, because I am about to start kind of like pulling at my roots and picking my hair a little bit. So at first I used the yall Organics Edge Control, and it honestly did not work today. So I went in with my Style Factor Edge Booster, and I just began to kind of do some swoopity around my edges. And this is the final look. Alright, y'all, so this is my hair after I've done my edges and after I've applied my oil, sealed in all of my moisture, and I absolutely love it. I feel like my hair looks so defined. I feel like it looks so beautiful. I feel like it looks, you know, natural. It doesn't look necessarily like finger coils, but it definitely looks like, you know, it is a defined look. For me to preserve this style, all I'm going to do is put on a bonnet. That's it, because I can't I really genuinely can't do anything else but just throw on my bonnet, and in the morning I just kind of shake it out and just rub my hands through it. I will go in with a little bit of my Imania Beauty High Maintenance Elixir just to, you know, kind of give it some shine and help to reduce the frizz. If I need to, I'll probably spray a little bit of water on my hair to bring back just to keep my curls hydrated. But this style should last honestly for like 2 to 3 days. Okay, realistically speaking, the short hair does not last as long as like my hair did when my wash and goes were longer. So I probably will have to redo this within the next couple of days. But that's really it. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you have any different styles you want to see me do with this, definitely let me know in the comments below, and I will see you all in my next video.